Well, happy weekend to everybody. In the last video, you saw me cutting out the firewall. Today, I'm going to prep it for putting the new firewall in. I'm not going to get overly ambitious in this introduction and say I'm going to get any stuff put back in this video, but I am going to be grinding and removing sheet metal. So it will probably be mostly time-lapse because it's not very exciting, but it's got to be done. And I'm documenting it, so here we go. All right, before I started, like I mentioned, today's all about getting everything ready to reinstall the firewall. So I'll just do time lapse, but basically I got to take and figure out how much of this I need to leave to set the firewall on. I got to get all this off, same thing on that side. I got to finish removing the accelerator pedal. It's just only connected up at the carburetor, so that shouldn't be too difficult. And then I got to take the parking brake handle out. So I'll be doing that. I'm going to time lapse it. It ain't that exciting, but it's got to be done. So here we go. Well, it's going. I'm going to go in and get a drink of water, and then I'll come back out and pretty much almost have that side finished. All right, this is how far I got before I had to take a break. It's pretty hot out here still. So you can see I got some cleaning up to do, but we're getting it. We are definitely getting it. So let me get back to work. Camera died while I was working on this side, and so I had to charge it, but as you can tell, I got most of it off. Parking brake's held in by two giant screws, and I put some WD-40 on them and let them soak because they are not coming loose, and I don't want to, I really can't get a good angle on them, so I'm waiting to get that off. And then, as you can tell, I got all that stopped to right there, so I need to get the rest of that off right there, and then I'm gonna try and drop the old firewall in. So sort of crazy, but I'm gonna do it. Well, I'm done for today. As you can see, I got most of the stuff done that I wanted. Tomorrow I will be fitting the firewall in there, so that's a good thing. As always, I greatly appreciate everybody's support. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Well, hello. Today, I'm not going to get as much done. This morning, I had to go to work because we're sort of expecting a hurricane. Actually, 2 hurricanes within the next 4 or 5 days. So we had to take care of some stuff. So today, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go about fitting the firewall, see how it all fits, see what I got to trim up, that kind of stuff. So let me show you where I'm at right now. All right, so I got the parking brake, I got the steering column, I got 99.9% of the stuff. I got to trim off that little piece right there just so I can set it down and see where I got to go to. Then I can scribe a line and we'll go from there. So let me get on it. Well, I got to take that little piece right there off on both sides. I thought maybe I could get it to lap over, but I think it's got to come off. So I don't know if you can see that or not. So I'm not going to lift this all the way out. It's definitely going in, but we'll see what we get today. All right, I got that side done, and this side I ground down that lip, and then I'll use a flap disc on it, but I'm gonna see if it'll fit in there with it being like it is right now. Ooh, no focus. Anyways, trust me if it didn't focus, which it probably didn't, but anyways, there we go. All right, fits good here. It's off the frame rail just a wee bit, so I'm sure I can get that adjusted, but look at how good it fits right here. And I'll have to do a little bit on this side. And then over here, it's sitting on this flange. I need to take the flange off. It's holding it up too high. And then because of that, I can't get it back. So as you can tell, I got a gap here, but I can't believe how close it fits on that side. So we're getting there. Unfortunately, I have to go take care of some hurricane stuff for our own home. So I think this is where I'm going to stop. I'm going to just make one video, so I'm not going to have the closing from yesterday, but this excites me. I'm getting to be putting it back together. So yee-haw, said the man. Might actually set the cowl on there, see how it looks. What the hell? Let's do it. All right, so it's hitting here. I got to fix that. I knew that. I got to fix that. Then it lines up pretty good with the holes, and it won't fit that good right there. But it's getting, at least we're in the same ballpark. We're in the same zip code almost. But we're getting there. This side sits good. So anyways, it's looking like a car again, almost. So there you go. Look at that. Woohoo. Woohoo. New firewall, new cowl. That'll be next weekend if I don't lose the whole house because of hurricane. All right, so there you have it. 2 days of work, well, actually a day and a half, and in one video instead of having one video per day. So as you can tell, I got the firewall. I just showed you how close it gets. Just laid the cowl on there to make me feel happy. Anyways, as always, I really appreciate everybody. Please give it a like. Please subscribe. Please share. Whatever you can do is greatly appreciated. And as I've been saying, please remember that it doesn't hurt that much to subscribe and hit that little bell, because you know, it's not like it costs you anything. So please do it. I'd appreciate it greatly. So once again, thank you and have a great day.